Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on basics of accountancy. So question number 1. Money value or the reputation of business is known as, your options are A. Copyright, B. Goodwill, C. Patents, D. Trademark, and the correct answer is B. Goodwill. Question number 2. Surplus of income over expenses is, option A. Loss, B. Profit, C. Financial societies, D. Deficit, and the correct answer is B. Profit. Question number 3. A commodity in which a trader deals is known as, option A. Property, B. Goods, C. Expenditure, D. Income, and the answer is B. Goods. Question number 4. Heavy advertising expenditure for launching a new product is called as, option A. Capital expenditure, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Deferred revenue expenditure, D. None of these, and the correct answer is C. Deferred revenue expenditure. Question number 5. Expenditure incurred on purchase of fixed asset is, option A. Revenue expenditure, B. Capital expenditure, C. Deferred revenue expenditure, D. None of these, and the correct answer is B. Capital expenditure. Question number 6. Accounts must be honestly prepared and they must disclose all material information is known as, option A. Disclosure concept, B. Entity concept, C. Cost concept, D. Dual aspect concept, and the correct answer is A. Disclosure concept. Question number 7. The immediate recognition of loss is supported by principle of, option A. Materialistic, B. Conservative, C. Consistency, D. Objective, and the correct answer is B. Conservative. Question number 8. Concept which provides a line between present and future is known as, option A. Going concern, B. Cost concept, C. Accrual concept, D. Entity concept, and the correct answer is A. Going concern. Question number 9. Amount which is not recoverable from customer is known as, option A. Debts, B. Debtors, C. Bad debts, D. Doubtful debts, and the answer is C. Bad debt. Question number 10. Totaling of journal or ledger is called as, option A. Posting, option B. Folio, option C. Casting, option D. Journalizing, and the answer is C. Casting. Question number 11. In cash transaction, goods or services are exchanged for, option A. Other goods, option B. Other services, option C. Immediate cash, and D. Grains, and the correct answer is C. Immediate cash. Question number 12. The work of bookkeeping is of dash nature, A. Competitive, B. Primary or basic, C. Secondary, D. None of these, and the correct answer is B. Primary or basic. Question number 13. Capital is dash of the business, A. Assets, B. Liability, C. Property, D. Goodwill, and the correct answer is B. That is liability. Question number 14. The work of accounting depends upon, option A. Bookkeeping, B. Cash book, C. Subsidiary books, D. Ledger, and the correct answer is A. That is bookkeeping. Question number 15. Dash is the amount invested by the owner of a business. Option A, cash. B, money. C, assets. D, capital. And the correct answer is D, that is capital. Thank you.